Hello, it is time for me to make up the twins' Easter basket from the Easter Bunny. If you didn't know, I make these crates. The crate is from Etsy. No, it's not. It's from HobbyCraft. And the Easter lettering is from eBay. Just literally glue gunned that on the front. And this is everything I have got them to go in their Easter crate for Easter 2025. If you didn't know, I have 2.5-year-old fraternal twins, boy, girl, Rex and Felicity. And so it's a mixture in here. Some of it is quite girly, but Rex will like to do it too. And some of it may be boyish, but again, Felicity will like it too. So first of all, I've got this HobbyCraft colouring in sheets. They're all Easter themed. For them to share, 24 sheets in there, so that'll be plenty. It kind of sticks out the top. It's quite hard to put in there. Just put it in there like that. Oh. And then I have got from HobbyCraft, 2 sets of stickers. They've actually got 5 sets of stickers, but this is how I'm putting it in, just so it kind of stays in place, basically. And then we've got the Peppa Pig Grand Easter Egg Hunt, Lift the Flap book. And we have also got Paddington Bear's Easter Egg Hunt book. We love books. Then they have got the Disney Easter Bunny each. So Mickey and Minnie. We absolutely love Disney. If you didn't know, we went to Florida when they were 6 months even. Can't talk today, so yeah, I've got them. And where's that? And then I picked this up the other day in the Blue Diamond group garden centre, but it is the brand Orange Tree Toys, and it's Jenga, but it's slightly different. You have to roll the dice and it tells you which animal to push out. I know it's 3+, but we're nearly there. Can't believe it, but we're nearly there. So I've got that for them to play together, because we absolutely love, I like really getting into games at the minute. So that's that. I'm just trying to set this out too at the same time. What's next? Some more stickers. I don't know why I got 5, but anyway, we've got these ones from HobbyCraft, little Easter bunnies from HobbyCraft and little chicks. Again, we'll just all play with that together. What should I do next? Then I wanted to make hot cross buns with them. I love baking with them. Well, I love baking in general, but I love baking with them. And I thought, I've never made a hot cross bun before, and I'd love to, but I think it's going to be quite complicated. So I kind of wanted to find a kit that would do it for us, or help me anyway. So I got the Craft and Crumb, but hot cross bunnies and craft kit for us to make. And whilst I was on there, they had a whole Easter section, and they'd made meringues out in yellow as chicks. Probably will not look like it, let's just face it, but so I got the meringue kit, and I know meringues are easy to make, but I just thought it'd be easier for me and the twins to do it with this. Then I have 2 more books. We love Acorn Woods, the Tales of Acorn Woods. We've got most of them now. I think we've only got 2 left that we haven't got. So we've got Rabbit's Nap, and then I got Sleeping Bunny. We're not really into board books anymore, other than these Acorn Wood ones, but I didn't realise this was a board book, but it's got lots of words in it. It'll be all right. It's quite hard to fit it all in because I got it all out to film this. Then this looks quite girly for me, but I think Rex will love it too. I got 2 lots of make your own Easter bunny ears from HobbyCraft. I think they were only like £1, so I was just like, it's perfect. So yeah, he'll love that too. With like, obviously I'm into crafts, but they love crafts too. Okay, now we're going to do the front bit. It looks right squidged in. We've got 2 decoupage decoupage bunnies, but they just paint these. So I got them from HobbyCraft ages ago. Like literally, I think it was just after Christmas. From the Blue Diamond group, I got these the other day. They're hatching chick eggs even. So you put it in water, after 72 hours it starts to crack, and up to 14 days you get a full chick out of it. Obviously not a real one, but I thought they would love these. Obviously supervised. Love it. Because they are really into the, I think they're Pets Alive, are they? I'm not sure. They really like them anyway. Next up, I got these off of Etsy. It says Happy Easter Felicity, and this one's Happy Easter Rex, and it's grow your own sunflower. I think they have just done sunflowers at school this week, but I didn't know that until I found that out this week. But it doesn't matter, they've got them to do in the garden. We are huge Tony lovers, so we have Peter Rabbit and we have Posy. We've already got Pip, but this one's Posy. Yeah. And then last of all, we are really into animals. We love playing farms, we love playing stables. A combination of their Schleich sets and my old animal hospital and beautiful ponies, I think they were called. But most of their animals are from Schleich, Schleich or Papo. And I didn't realise this, but I've just bought from Mojo, which is off of Amazon, and I don't know if I will buy from them again, because the colouring of the animals just doesn't look right. So this one is this is the Mojo one. It's a lamb laying down, and it's it's the same colour. And this one is the same lamb, I guess, but standing up. So yeah, I don't think like if you compare them ones to the Schleich and the Papo ones, the quality of them is not right. And my sister has got cheaper animals, and yeah, cheaper animals are totally fine, but the colouring of the white on them is just not right. Like she's got pink cows. So yeah, and then we have this Schleich bunny rabbit, and this one is a Papo bunny rabbit, and that is everything they have got in their box. Let me show you it if I can. There you go. Try and I'm gonna try and pick this up a bit so it sits up better. There you go. What have you got your children for Easter? Are you celebrating? Are you not? My mum does a huge Easter egg hunt, but it's going to be less chocolate this year because we're on like a sugar ban, not a sugar ban, but a sugar detox, I guess. Less sugar, and Alfie can't eat chocolate. So, yeah. Let me know what you're getting your children. Do you do something like this or different? I did think about getting them a little basket each, but I had the crate already, so it's easier just to do this. But yeah, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.